This is MSJ Chem. In this video, I'll be looking at atomic structure. So we'll start by looking at the location of the subatomic particles in the atom. The protons and neutrons are located in the nucleus of the atom. The electrons are located in energy levels surrounding the nucleus. In this diagram, we can see the protons and neutrons in the nucleus of the atom, with the electrons in energy levels surrounding the nucleus. In this table, we have the subatomic particle, its relative charge, and its relative mass. Protons have a relative charge of +1 and a relative mass of 1. Neutrons have no charge and a relative mass of 1. Electrons have a relative charge of -1 and a relative mass of 1/2000th the mass of a proton. So from this, we can see that the mass of an atom is concentrated in its positively charged dense nucleus. Next, we look at sublevels in the atom. Each main energy level can be split into sublevels. The main energy levels are given the letter n, so we have n equals 1, which is closest to the nucleus, we have n equals 2, n equals 3, and n equals 4. n equals 1 has one sublevel, which is the 1s sublevel. n equals 2 has two sublevels, the 2s and the 2p sublevels. n equals 3 has three sublevels, the 3s, the 3p, and the 3d sublevels. And n equals 4 has four sublevels, the 4s, the 4p, the 4d, and the 4f sublevels. And finally, we look at how many electrons can be found in each main energy level. Starting with n equals 1, which has a 1s sublevel, which can hold 2 electrons, for a total of 2 electrons in the n equals 1 energy level. Next, n equals 2, which has a 2s and a 2p sublevel. The 2s sublevel can hold 2 electrons, and the 2p sublevel can hold 6 electrons, for a total of 8 electrons in the second main energy level. Next, we have n equals 3, which has a 3s, a 3p, and a 3d sublevel. The 3s sublevel can hold 2 electrons, the 3p sublevel can hold 6 electrons, and the 3d sublevel can hold 10 electrons, which gives a total of 18 electrons in the third main energy level. Next, n equals 4, which has a 4s, a 4p, a 4d, and a 4f sublevel. The 4s sublevel can hold 2 electrons, the 4p sublevel can hold 6 electrons, the 4d sublevel can hold 10 electrons, and the 4f sublevel can hold 14 electrons, which gives us a total of 32 electrons in the fourth main energy level.